In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LaTeX in Notion. Whether you're new to both LaTeX and Notion, or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered with this simple tutorial designed for beginners. Let's dive in and explore how you can effortlessly integrate mathematical expressions into your Notion documents using LaTeX. First up, the process begins by opening a Notion page. Once you're in your document, your first step is to type equation to initiate an equation block. This command is straightforward, and as soon as it's typed, Notion recognizes it and gives you a dedicated space specifically for your LaTeX formula. This block is the magic space where your mathematical expressions will come alive. Moving on, in this newly created block, it's time to enter your LaTeX formula. Now, if you're familiar with LaTeX, you'll know that it uses a specific coding-like language that's used for typesetting beautiful equations and scientific writings. For instance, if you wanted to write the quadratic formula, you'd input a specific string of LaTeX code. But don't worry if this language seems a bit daunting. With practice, you'll get a hang of the syntax, and there are plenty of resources online where you can look up the exact codes you need. Once you've typed in your formula, the next step is seamless. Simply click away from the block. This action triggers Notion to render your LaTeX code into a visual representation of the mathematical equation. You'll notice the transformation from code to a neatly formatted formula almost instantly. This is one of the beauties of Notion. It allows you to see your LaTeX work come to life without any additional steps or hassle. Now, let's say you need to make changes to your formula. Maybe there's a typo, or you'd like to modify an element of the equation. No worries. One of the great features of Notion is the ability to go back and edit your formulas anytime you need. Simply click back into the equation block, and your original LaTeX code will be there ready for editing. Make your changes, click away once again, and voila! Your updated equation is rendered on the page. It's as easy as that. That's all there is to it. Using LaTeX in Notion is a wonderful way to incorporate complex mathematical notations alongside your notes, projects, or articles. It adds a professional touch and ensures precise communication, especially when dealing with intricate scientific topics. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it has helped you get started with using LaTeX in Notion seamlessly. Happy experimenting, and see you in the next video.